Ali and Bano, fun-filled education for young ones.
Underwater BFFs, clownfish and sea anemone. The clownfish and sea anemone are really good friends. Today, we're going to show you a cool conversation between these two sea animals.
Hey there, little clownfish buddy. What's the scoop in our underwater world today?
Hi, Mr. Anemone. Just swimming over to say hi and hear your amazing ocean tales.
Well, I've been here in one spot for quite a while. Just enjoying the currents and showing off my colorful tentacles. Did you know I'm not a plant, even though I'm named after one?
Wowie, Mr. Anemone. Tell me more.
Yup, and guess what? I have a cool trick up my tentacles. Those wavy arms are actually filled with stinging cells that help me catch yummy meals floating by. But don't worry, I won't sting you.
Phew, thanks for sparing me, Mr. Anemone. Speaking of food, I'm a picky eater. I munch on leftovers and tiny creatures that dare to mess with you.
You're my hero, clownfish. I give you a cozy coral home, and you help keep my tentacles tidy. It's like a secret underwater deal.
Totally, Mr. Anemone. Plus, your tentacles keep me safe from bigger fish who might want to make me their lunch.
Teamwork makes the dream work, right? And did you know we anemones host a lot of fish friends like you? It's like an underwater community.
Awesome, Mr. Anemone. We're like the ocean's coolest roommates.
Anytime, clownfish.
Catch you later.
Stay tuned for our next underwater adventure. See you next time.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Ali and Bano, fun-filled education for young ones.